question. So what is the best holiday of the year? Well, okay, I mean, aside from that one. Is it Christmas? How about Thanksgiving? Gobble, 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 gobble. How about Valentine's Day? Oh. 4th of July. No, guys, it's actually... The answer is Halloween, and our friends over at the Weed Box, they're working up something special. You guys have seen the glass I've been collecting each month with this special delivery box. Well, for the next 3 months, the Weed Box has something frighteningly fun in store for us all. 3 months of Halloween. I just got the August box in the mail from the Weed Box. And again, guys, this is the $39 box. You can sign up for a subscription that can show up to your house every month. Or if you just see something that you have to have, you can buy them individually. And I can't wait to dive in and see what kind of spooky delights the Weed Box has worked up for us in August. And here we go. All right, always a lovely note in here, guys. And again, there are plenty of things that you can pick up from the Weed Box on the website. I just always like to highlight this box set that they put out each month. Let's open it up. I feel like we should cue a witch's laugh as we do this. All right, guys, inside we've got our promo card, which again, if you guys are on social media, you take pictures of your box, post them up, tag the Weed Box in it, you guys could win a free box next month. So check that out. It's on their website. As always, stickers. Love the stickers. Who doesn't? Let's see what's in here. And inside the box, guys, we have this rad pair of socks, which I love getting each month. I can go almost every day of the week with a rad pair of weed socks on me. The weed socks from the Weed Box, guys. Come on, that's freaking rad. All right, so another thing that I always love is they kind of give me everything to get the party started, right? Woo, almost dropped that here. Sick lighter, love the design, goes well with the Halloween theme. And as you can tell, guys, things are kind of color coordinated. I love it. Well, we've got our cones here, which I need because I can't roll for spit. So I've got my cones and I've got my rad tray to do it on. But underneath this tray, guys, we're gonna reveal the bong this month. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. That's spooky. Absolutely spooky. And here we are, guys. It's the $39 spooky box from the Weed Box. This is the August offering. Guys, go lock in now. The first of 3 months dedicated to Halloween. And inside, you will get all of these goodies. Guys, find the link down in the show notes and in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoy. Get one for yourself. And remember to party on.